In this video, I'll show you how to create a profile picture with a stunning 3D effect using Canva. It's simple, looks amazing, and you can do it in just a few steps. So let's jump right into it. Let's start by adding an image. I'll choose one from the library, but you can upload your own photo. I'll go with this image as an example. Now that we have the image on the canvas, go back to the elements, clear the previous search. Scroll down a bit, and under the mockup section, you'll find a 3D circle frame. Click on that to add it to your design. Once it's on the canvas, increase its size to make it more prominent. Then, simply drag your photo inside the frame. Adjust the position to center it nicely. Next, double-click on the image inside the frame. I want to flip it so it faces the other direction, which gives it a better composition for this effect. Now go back to Elements again, and this time search for Hand. Head over to the Photos section, scroll down and pick this image. Once added, make it smaller, rotate it slightly, and position it so it looks like it's coming from the edge of the 3D circle. After that, remove the background of the hand image using the background remover. After that, click on Background Remover again. Decrease the preview size to get a better view of the edges. If needed, increase the brush size. Now, manually erase the part where the hand ends so that it blends perfectly with the edge of the circle frame. Once you're done, close the background remover and fine-tune the position of the hand for the most natural look. Finally, select both the frame and the hand and align them to the center to complete the design. And that's it. Your 3D profile picture is ready. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video. And if you want to learn another amazing 3D pop-out photo effect, then watch this video next. I'll see you there.